If you have been uploading using YouTube app, if you have been uploading using the studio app, then that is the reason you are not getting view. If you try to upload your content using this plus sign you see on YouTube app, it is a very big mistake, and that is why you are not getting view. A lot of new YouTubers that just started creating content and upload on YouTube use this plus sign and it kills your channel. So in this video, I will put you through the processes on how to properly upload your YouTube content and get more view. If that is what you want to learn, then stay till the end of this video because you're going to learn more from this video. I am Adiola. On this channel, I give you tips how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get view and subscriber as soon as possible. So guys, let's move into the process. The first thing you have to do or you have to know is that your subscribers are very important. If you have just 2 subscribers on your channel today, handle them very well. Make sure you create content that make them happy. Make sure you create content that retain them on your channel. That is what you have to put at your mind, not the new subscribers that will come very soon. Because when YouTube keep promoting your content, when YouTube keep pushing your content, more subscriber will comes, more views will comes. But before this will comes, you have to do some settings which you can never and ever see on the YouTube apps or YouTube Studio. That is why you need to upload your content using the web version on your mobile device or your laptop. So in today's video, I will guide you through the processes on how to properly upload your content on YouTube so that you get more view. Majority of people upload their content on mobile device. There's nothing wrong, no problem if you use your mobile device to upload your content, but you have to do it in a proper way. So today I will guide you on how to use the web version of YouTube Studio to upload your content, thereby pushing away these mobile apps. Never use this plus sign, rather use the web version. So I will just open it in a mobile device, then go to laptop and explain, because it is more feasible on laptop than using mobile device. It's still the same thing. The first thing you have to do is to go to your mobile device and pick any browser of your choice. So in this video, I will use Opera. You can use Opera, you can use Google Chrome, you can use Safari, use any browser of your choice. Now in the search section, type in studio.youtube.com. studio.youtube.com. Tap on the go button. Once you tap on the go button, just wait a little while for this to come up. If you have not logged in before using this particular process on your mobile device, you're going to see something like this on the screen on your mobile device. So if you see something like this on the screen, go and click on studio.youtube.com, which is the first one on the link. Once you click on it or tap on it, then it comes up like this. You have access to your YouTube dashboard like this on the mobile version. As you can see, it is very tiny. So I will now swap or switch to my computer and explain everything so that you have access to what I want to teach in this video. So now that you've come to this place, click on this button that says studio. Once you click on that button, it comes up like this. Once it comes up like this, the first thing you have to do before you upload any content is to be sure that you have your content fully prepared on your device, either on your phone or on your laptop. What I mean is that make sure that you properly named that content. You name it, and as well your thumbnail, you name your thumbnail. Let me quickly give you an example of what I mean. Here is a content I want to upload on my second channel, how to blog specific website on iPhone, and you can see that here is properly named. Then you see the thumbnail is also properly named. So if you create your content from any app, you have to name it once you saved it on your device. If you cannot name it on that particular editing app, once you save it, right click, locate name, and rename it to the topic you want to use on that video on your channel. Now once you do that, come to YouTube Studio like this. Now you see create here. Click on this create. When you click on this create, you have series of options here. The first one is upload, go live, create post, new playlist, or new podcast. See, we're going to use the first one, that is upload. Then the same button is what you see here, guys. If you hover your arrow on this platform or this button, you see what is called upload video. As well, you see go live. So we want to upload. So for the sake of this video, we're going to click on create and click on upload. Once you click on upload, it comes out like this. Now here there are two ways you can upload your content on this place. The first one, which is click on this button, it comes up like this. Click on show file. Once you click on show file, now it locates, or you locate where you save your file. You click on this button, you click on open. As well, you can bring out the file like this, just pick it and drag it like this. It copies and it uploads. So let's go to the first process, then come over to this place. Now come over to this place, then click on open. Once you click on open, it will upload on your device or on your channel. Now take a look at the title here. The title is uploaded by default because I have named this content on my device. Not only that, the reason you need to write the name or you name your content is to come back to the file name here. The file name cannot be edited, and this go a long way by helping YouTube algorithm to understand your content very well. That is one of the reason, or one of the major reason, you need to name your content before you upload them. The next thing is that you need to write a very good description of your content, which I know you guys can do. Then here we talk about thumbnail. I've named my thumbnail. As well, you can click on this button, go to file, then select your thumbnail here, or you can as well bring out the file from this place, pick and drop here, and your thumbnail will come up here. So this simple task, you cannot do it using your mobile apps unless you use the web version of your mobile device. That is why I said do away with this mobile app while uploading on YouTube, so that you're able to access this setting. So one of the settings you have to access is this button. Select any of these that suits you. So you have to select a playlist for your project on YouTube. Make sure your project has a playlist. You can create a playlist, then scroll up, then go ahead and click on this button that says show more. Once you click on show more, the first button that you want to use here is this button that says alter content. If your content is not produced by AI, like the one you are watching right away, it is not produced by AI. I produce this content myself. Make sure you select no. Make sure you select no. Then scroll down to the base of this page where you see this option that says subscribers. That is under license. We have subscribers and notification. Push to subscription feed and notify subscriber. If you have few subscribers that come to your channel and watch your content regularly, make sure that this button is checked. So when you upload this content, YouTube will notify them first and they watch it. And once you watch your content like that, it sends a very good signal to YouTube algorithm. Okay, this particular project is good, thereby helping YouTube to push your content to a wider audience that may likely watch that particular content you just created. Now that I've done that, the next setting you have to do, or that you cannot access on YouTube app, is what is called video element. Under video element, I'm talking about two important options here. The first one is where you see add an end screen. Click on this add button. Once you click on the add button, it comes up like this. You have different options here, so I recommend you use one or this. So let's go and click on this one. If you have a very long video, it's always good. Even if your video is just 30 seconds video, you can still add this end screen. Now here you can see that most recently upload, I add it. Then the second one is best view. You can change this as well. Then you see that we added this subscribe button here. You have subscribe button here, so click on save. This particular setting will help more views on your channel. If your subscribers or if anyone watch your content to that particular end, they might likely click on what they see on the screen as end screen option. The next one is what we call add card. Card is also a very good option that you cannot access on the mobile apps. So now you want to add video, click on this button. When you click on that plus button, you have access to other videos on your channel, either the schedule one, private, uploaded. You have them here, so you just need to click any of these, then drag it to some extent here. So when they watch this video, they see this particular option and they may likely click on it, and once they click on it, it adds more view to your channel. So you can add up to 2 or 3 cards on your content on YouTube. So these settings are not available on YouTube apps. That is why I always encourage you guys that you should stop using this plus button to upload your content. Rather, use the web version of YouTube because of these important settings that you will not see on the apps. The last setting here that I will encourage you guys to use is that never upload your content to public at first. It's a very wrong thing. So that use the unlisted or the private. The reason you need to use either unlisted or private is that if your product or if your project has any mistake or if it has any complaint from YouTube teams, you will be notified and you will be able to correct that particular error before you upload or before you publish your content. And while publishing your content, go and use what is called schedule. So guys, these are the simple things that you need to do on YouTube, which you will not be able to access using the mobile app. If you get this tip and if you're not subscribed, please guys, subscribe to this channel, tap the notification icon so that you'll be notified when we upload another important of our video on this channel. See you soon guys on our next video.